going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you guys can see in the thumbnail, bought some new wheels for my C10. They're not new, but they're new to me. I got them in a good deal on a Facebook market. First time seeing it on the truck. Never put them on because the truck was still sitting up high, normal stance. But now that it's lowered, it'll be the first time me seeing it like that, so I'm pretty excited. Hope you guys are excited too. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Let's get the subscribers going up. Watch hours as well. Watch my videos fully. I really appreciate you guys watching it. And that being said, let's get to installing these wheels. Check this out, guys. I like these wheels. I think they're gonna look nice. Like I said, these are just temporary for now, just to give it a look. Alright guys, what do you guys think? Comment down below. I'll put the name of the rims and the size of the tires right on the video, just in case you guys want to know. I'll put the size and stuff for the front and the rear. I think the rear one's a little wider. Got more like nice little lip there. I think it looks good compared to the when it had the stock wheels on it. Hell of a difference. But I'm gonna go ahead and do the passenger side and see how much lower it drops down. So there you go, guys. I like it. Like I said, I think the wheels are the wheels are 20 by 8.5 in the front and 20 by 10 in the back. The back one, as you can see, the drum is not painted, so I'm gonna do that off camera. And also I need to replace that I believe that's called the stud right there. It's stripped out, so that's why I didn't put the other lug nut. So that's going to be another job I gotta do, needs to get done. And also, if you guys want to know what lug nuts I use for these riddlers, I'm hoping you guys can see that. There's the part number. It does come with the lock key right there. So that's what I use for these riddlers. If I find it online on Amazon, I'll link it in the description as well. All right, guys, finally got the wheels on. They look real good, better than stock. Comment down below. I want to hear you guys' opinion. And also, guys, let's hit 1,000 subscribers on my channel. I'm at 650. I'm getting there. Also, watch my videos fully so I can get them watch hours. But anyways, that being said, I'm gonna wash the truck and you guys enjoy the rest of the video.